for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig in under 3 minutes from start to finish.
Don't let your hair get in the way.
Today's hair sponsor is a first on my channel. Let's give a warm welcome to Panalahair. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Today what I have installed is a 22-inch 5x7 or 7x5, whichever way you want to call it. It's the same thing. HD straight glueless closure wig. This is the C-curve wig. So this is improved dome cap wigs. If you're used to like your glueless dome caps, this one is leveled up because they have cut out the ear tabs, girl. And trust me, you wouldn't think that that makes all the difference, but it does. This wig also comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, so it is ready to wear.
Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Version of dome caps, it's curved here, so you can see there's a slight curve. This is where your ear is going to go. Previously they didn't have this cut out. We're going to do a fresh out of the box install. It is HD lace and it is looking very HD, but I want to just make sure that it's going to blend perfectly, so I'm just going to spray just a tiny bit of this lace tint along the hair line. We're gonna start a timer and we're gonna see how long it takes me to install this wig start to finish glueless. Okay, so we're starting the timer right now. Losing some time with this adjustment, but that's okay. Adjusting that. Take the band, put it all the way at the back. Okay, I'm gonna put some wax stick. If you guys are looking at this, I cut myself. I was making a Barbie box for Halloween. It's part of my costume, okay? And I was using the X-Acto knife and I was supposed to be cutting away from my hand, but I was cutting towards. So this wig comes ready to wear. It comes with bleached knots, it comes pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace. It comes with all of that, so you don't have to do any of that yourself. Okay, so far we're in 2 minutes. Okay, next thing you want to do is get some powder. I'm gonna tidy up the part. And then quickly do a straighten. Okay, we're done. We're coming in at 2 minutes, guys. Okay, let's see what the timer says. 2 minutes and 55 seconds, okay? So I don't want to hear anyone say that they can't install a wig. You can install a wig start to finish 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Not going anywhere, y'all. You can do start to finish wig install under 3 minutes. This is good. You can leave the house looking like this. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But now that we have installed it in 2 minutes, I'm gonna perfect it, right? I'm just gonna do the little things that make me feel like my wig is melted. I'm really gonna press out that hair. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. Say if you're a beginner, a hot tool like a hot comb is very, very crucial for your wig installs. You're going to have to invest in one, and you can get cheap hot combs on AliExpress. You can get them on Amazon. I got this one from Amazon, and it is the Andis. It is the Andis model. I forget what it's called. Okay, and if you want to give side part, if you want to give side part, you can do that, y'all. You can do side part. You're not limited to one style with this wig. You can do side part or middle part, right?
A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better.
This takes 0 scale, 0 effort, 0 work. This is a no glue install, and tell me if you can tell that this wig is not secured down. It's giving it's melted down without being melted. This is the most beginner friendly option. I love dome cap wigs for this reason in particular. So now the dome cap is fitting more flush to your head, but now that it has that little cutout, you're able to pull the wig down more so it's closer to the ear, meaning it's fitting snug, it's fitting better on the head. So overall, it's just looking more realistic, and of course it is glueless, so we love that. Love how secure it is. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Amazing, right? If you're a beginner, is this something that you would try at home? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you guys want to purchase this wig that I installed in under 3 minutes, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. If there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. Bye for now.